So Evangelist Ebuka Obi is live now. Let us listen to this this live interview, this live broadcasting. It is live now with people among all members, Zionites. So they are live. So I want you to follow me. Let's listen what he's asking his members. He's asking his members, why do you think that people love me? Why do you think that people love me? And what do you think about people that hate me? So I would like you to come, listen, let us listen to this broadcast today. Just happened some minutes ago. I just come in and I saw it. So I said, let me bring it for you to see, listen what people answered him, what people respond to him, the members and others. So let's listen.
Why do you think that people love you? No. I answer you a shy sister. I appreciate. How am I? What am I preaching? How can I see from her? May God bless both of you. Do what I ask you to do. I will be in touch. Yeah? Send me all of your children pictures. Oh, today. If we reach airport,
just listen what people answered.
Try the two numbers. Most time, we will try the two numbers. Send, put your face. I have like 5,000 messages at home on my WhatsApp. I have like more than 5,000 available. So do what I said today to the way to God bless you. Carry your Bible, marry your Bible, carry the protection. Don't joke with it. Are you getting what I'm saying? Joshua 8, study day, study night. Don't joke. Everything work together for them. You know our Facebook has not gotten to 60 before. But since this trouble, we are now at 60. If this is another means of elevation. Yes. It will not remove any member from Zion.
Yes, so it will never remove anyone from Zion. Did he get it?
Let them block you. Let them. You don't need to have friends of those that hate Jesus.
Exactly. Zion will move. Yes, so. So Ebuka is asking members, why do you think that people love me? And what do you think about? He said, no, nothing is going to remove anyone from Zion, not even this saga. Saying in Echo and net. Yes. Jennifer, you're welcome. Zion, we move. Yes, so. I hope you guys are hearing what he's saying. I hope you are hearing what people are answering him.
From South Africa, we will have program in Israel.
I hope you guys are hearing what he's saying. Open heaven is on. Ah, I need to end it to 11. Wow, just 11 o'clock. Thank you so much for reminding me. I beg, guys. See you later. Later. We'll continue. I have to enter open heaven now. See you guys. Thank you, Jennifer. God bless you. I never know that it's already 11 o'clock. Oh my God. Guys, so this is what he was asking the members. So tomorrow we'll continue the video, okay? I love you guys. See you.